Hi, I'm Phyllis from Memphis, Tennessee, and I love sewing gadgets, and I have an addiction to gadgets and gizmos. I love to try various tools in search of anything that'll help me save time or make my craft easier. And I have to say that this 32-piece set, the Ultimate Presser Foot set that I bought from MadamSew, is absolutely a godsend and worth every penny. My machine, like most, already came with a variety of feet, but this one foot in the set makes it absolutely worth every penny. This is the blind hem foot, and I've done dozens of blind hems on pants before, but this one and the technology behind, I don't know why, but this little plastic piece that's added that's not on the other feet makes a world of difference. Every one of my stitches was smooth. There were no skip stitches. Every stitch caught on the absolute edge, and it stayed on track with very little manipulation from me. I'm super hyped to use all the other feet in the kit, and I highly recommend it to anybody who's even a beginner or an intermediate sewer. Thanks, Madam Sew. I appreciate it. It was one of the best sewing purchases I've ever made.